Happy Halloween! Ho ho ho! I think I sound more like Santa Claus than anything scary. Okay, let's give it another shot. Maybe? Let's hope. Anyways, moving on. Today's video is going to be on Halloween nails, which I'm about to pop up on the screen. So these are the nails I'm referring to, and they're quite a bit milder than some of the more usual Halloween nails, but they do have skulls, so I figured they were Halloween themed enough. I will do another set of Halloween nails actually next Friday. Now, if you want to get into the Halloween spirit, two easy ways to do that is with Halloween nails or with some fake blood dribbling down your chin, which is probably the most low-key costume I can imagine. But this video is going to be about the nails and how to create them, and let's get into that. But before we get into that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ekaterina, and on this channel I post a video every Friday related to fashion and nails. Now let's get into the nails. And that was it for these Halloween nails. Hopefully you found the tutorial useful and that you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you watched a few of my videos, you know that I like to leave off on a positive note by sharing something positive from my day. Something small or big. Usually it's something small. And I really would like it if you shared something positive from your day as well. Today, for me, that thing is this red concoction dripping down my chin. Because it reminded me of when in high school I actually used to pair this with a slightly more involved costume, and it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed doing something for Halloween. I really should do something for Halloween this year as well. Ooh, by the way, let me know if you have any interesting Halloween plans. That's gonna be really interesting for me to read as well. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!